What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be silk pressing my hair. Okay, your girl got her fro out, got the natural hair out. Looks crazy. It looked better a day ago. So I did. This is an old wash and go, which looked much better, like literally a day ago. But I put some water in it and it shrunk up even more. But anyways, I'm going to get in my hair silk pressed. I have not gotten an actual silk press since 2019, and I'm also getting a trim today, and that was the last time I got a trim professionally. But I have been trimming my own hair here and there, probably not the best, but like, I mean, I was still trying to do something. So I'm trying to see how much they're gonna cut off today, because I mean, listen, I hate cutting my hair, but you know what, I want my hair to grow. I'm trying to get my hair to waist length, so I'm trying to really be more cautious of how I'm taking care of my hair. So yes. Anyways, my appointment's at 3 o'clock. I'm here early. It's 2:23, so I'm gonna see if I can go in there and they can start early. If not, then it is what it is. But yeah, let's go ahead and head in.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
You guys, so I am back home and let me get you guys situated. So yeah, you guys, that's the end of this video. Your girl had to get, it probably was like what, 2 to 3 inches. I'll insert a before and after of how much she cut off, but like, y'all, my hair does look a lot healthier. I'm a little bummed because as you guys see, I have 4B hair. My coils are really tight. So I don't really have an issue with cutting my hair. I really don't care when I think about it now that I'm older. I have an issue with the fact that my shrinkage is so much. So I know that with all the amount that just got cut off, that my shrinkage is going to be even more. But it is hair. It'll grow back. And I want to be more consistent with my trim. So because she had to cut that much off, hopefully when I go back within like the next 4 weeks or so, it's a nice little dust, okay? A dusting, like a little bit. So, but anyways, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would definitely recommend it. I'm going to put their name on the screen of the salon that I went to here in Houston. So if you're looking for somewhere good to get a silk press, I would definitely recommend CBM Salon. When I say all of the employees there were super friendly, including the owner, Monet. She was the one who kind of finished off my bump at the end. So yeah, super friendly, clean facility. So I would definitely recommend, and I plan on going back to them. I had a Mel, she's a senior stylist. So they have Mel, the senior stylist, Monet, who's the master stylist, like she owns a place, and then there's Kayla, who's a junior stylist. And all three of them kind of touched my head at some point today, but Mel is my primary girl. But anyways, like I said, that is the end of this video. So until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.